Welcome back. Today I'm trying Fashom. If you're not familiar with Fashom, they're an app-based styling service. Like most of the styling services out there, they send you a bunch of clothing. Your first 3 months are free. I don't usually do unboxings on camera, but I decided to go ahead and do this one because Fashom can be such a wild card. I have seen what's in this box. I saw a preview. I had to approve it. Honestly, I looked at it and I went, what? It looked like nothing I would really want to try on, but I just went ahead and accepted it. I just wanted to get a video out for Vlogust, trying to get things done ahead of time. So they are a newer company. They're along the lines of Stitch Fix. They send you clothing, you decide what you keep. I've seen lots of unboxings from them. They seem to be getting it together a little bit. They do have a little envelope with their name on it now. For their first few months, their bundles would come out in newsprint type paper, and they have moved to tissue paper like everybody else. When you go on the app, you have the option to choose a stylist and you get to see the stylist profiles. And one of my options was just Fashom with no pictures at all. One was, to me, she looked like a realtor from Texas is what she looked like to me, which was not my style at all. The other one was a woman from Brooklyn who looks like she probably spends half her time in Brooklyn and half her time in Portland, Oregon. Like very offbeat, which is also not really my look. I went with the one from Brooklyn, the clothing that she picked. I was just like, this is nothing I would pick up on my own. I'm gonna go ahead and just let her do her thing. Maybe she knows something. There's no risk to me. Might be fun to try it on. The prices are low compared to Stitch Fix and Trends End. And the piece I was holding out the most hope for, probably not. It is silk. Silk crochet top. It's $34. Sleeveless envelope front V-neck top for $30. If you buy 3 or more items, you get 25% off your entire purchase. I will definitely be continuing with my follow-ups to show you similar pieces I can find, not necessarily buy, at discount stores. But to me, this $30 for this, there are so many similar pieces that would happen to be more of a print and color scheme that I like. $20 is kind of your top limit at Marshall's for this. I did ask for brands that I'm familiar with, and I'm not getting those. Maybe I should know these brands. I don't think I care for the print. This is Philosophy brand. I think it's like basically a t-shirt. Little cuff sleeves. There's something on the sheet that says Premise Studio Ruffle Cap Sleeve Top. That's $28. That might be this. It feels pretty nice. It's Philosophy brand, which I think I've heard of. Oh, we have a Max Studio dress. It says it's $98. It feels like a cottony type material. It's rayon and spandex. Hand wash. Lay flat to dry. All of the dresses are $46. Doesn't feel bad. I don't think I'm gonna hand wash a dress like that. Laundry by Shelly Segal. Oh my god! Is that Mrs. Roper or is that something else? Oh, it has these on the back. Wow. See, I just decided to go ahead and let them send whatever because I might as well try something new. Price tag on this is $178. There's like these flutter things where I think you're gonna end up sometimes seeing the back of them when you're walking around, and those are not, like the back side is not finished. Yeah, that's my issue with this dress, okay? Studio One, New York. I am washable. You had better be, because not much else I'm into about you. The color's pretty. I don't have a life where I need this kind of dress. I don't see myself wearing this kind of print. Like I said, I just said yes, so they would go ahead and send the box. Cynthia Rowley. I usually like Cynthia Rowley things. But these are paper bag striped pants. The wide leg crop thing just doesn't usually do me any good. Don't remember if I gave Fashom my Pinterest board. It doesn't seem like they know anything about me. They just sent stuff. Like I said, I had the opportunity to reject it, and I I maybe should have. I just wanted to go ahead on a lark and try some stuff that I would never try. And you never know. Maybe sometimes you fall in love with a piece that you wouldn't try. That didn't happen today. I have a feeling that the pieces that I'm going to find for my showdown aren't going to be super similar. I'm not buying any of it. I think that's obvious. If you decide to give Fashom a try, go find another YouTuber who has given you their link. Some people get great stuff and keep trying and trying. I think you can get $10 off your first box. They were just changing their system, so I don't have a $10 credit. I'm okay with that. I don't want to own any of this clothing for any amount of money. But it was still fun to try on. I hope you had as much fun watching me try this stuff on as I had trying it on. If you're new to my channel, click subscribe below. Definitely come back Tuesday and you'll see what I come up with at probably Marshall's for the showdown. See you tomorrow.